If you want to hold your breath longer, then you need to practice breathing, right? And practicing breathing doesn't have to happen in the water. You can do it out of the water. So a lot of people will take large, deep breaths, they'll hold it in, and they will slowly exhale it. And they'll practice this every single day, and they'll extend that breath hold for as long as they possibly can. And just really leaning into that diaphragmatic breathing. Now, you also can practice these breath holds in the water. So once you practice out of the water, you're going to do it in the water. You're going to just try to sit on the bottom of the pool and hold your breath for as long as possible. But it's really important to note that if you're going to partake in this, that you have somebody out of the water who's keeping an eye on you, who's watching you in this instance, because there are inherent risks to practicing these skills. Holding your breath underwater, it's very easy that if you continue to push yourself that you could lose consciousness. So it is important that you are staying safe if you're going to practice these breath holds.